Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mira from Kpop Demon Hunters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes near the top. Let's start with 2 angled lines, leaving a gap in the center. Then from the top, let's curve it out and up. And angle it back in underneath. Now on the inside, let's draw a circular curve like this. And a small circle inside on the top left. Now under the circle, let's draw a curve down and back around for the pupils. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw some curves up for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and draw the eyebrows. We'll start with an angle up and curve it down. Now for the inside, let's draw a line up, and then let's bring it up and down on top. Now that we're done the eyebrows, we're going to hop up and we're going to start drawing the hair. On top in the center, let's draw a curve up, and let's bring it down on both sides. And let's do the same thing on top, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now top and side, and let's finish drawing the face by drawing 2 angles down, meeting at a point for the chin. And then inside, let's draw a small curve for the nose and a line across for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop out, and on the sides, let's draw a small curve down for the ears. Now we're going to hop back up to the top and continue drawing the head with 2 curves out and bring it down. Now on top of the head, let's start drawing the pigtails. Let's draw a curve up and back down on the left, and the same thing on the right side. Now from the top, let's curve it up and bring it down. And then at the top again, let's draw 2 more smaller curves coming out on both sides. And that's it for the hair for now. We're going to come back after we've drawn the body. Let's hop down under the head and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. Now let's continue them out and curve it down on the other side of the hair. And then let's angle it down for the sleeves of the shirt. Now let's hop back up, and on the neck, let's draw 2 curves across for the necklace. And add a circle inside the center. Now let's hop down again, and let's draw a curve across for the top of the t-shirt. Now let's move over on the left shoulder. Let's draw a curve down. And let's add some lines down underneath. Now to continue drawing the shirt, let's draw an angle down and out on both sides, and a curve across the bottom. And then let's hop out and let's bring it back in for the sleeves. Now let's hop back to the center and let's draw 2 small curves down for the waist, and then a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw her skirt. Let's draw a curve down on the sides, and a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve at the top. And let's draw a circle in the center. 2 lines down on the left and on the right. Now let's hop to the bottom section and let's draw a line down in the center. And then at the top, let's curve it up to the right. Now on the top corners, let's draw a curve for the pockets. Let's add some additional details. On the left, we're going to draw the chain by drawing 2 curves. And then on the right side, we're going to draw the charm by drawing a line down, a diamond shape underneath, a line down again, and then a rectangle. And that's it for the skirt. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Underneath the sleeves, let's draw an angle down and bring it in. Now let's do the same thing next to it on the outside, but stopping just before the skirt. Now at the bottom, let's curve it down and in. And then let's add one more bump inside. Now on the hands, let's add the gloves. Let's draw a curve at the wrist here. And then a small curve inside each finger, like this. And then inside this bottom section, let's draw one more curve for the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back out and let's continue drawing the hair. Let's start underneath the ears and let's draw a long curve out and down like this. Then let's curve it up at the bottom and then curve it back in next to the skirt. Now let's hop back up and let's continue the pigtails by curving it down and in, and the same on the right side. Now that we finished off the hair, let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the skirt, let's draw 2 curves down. And then let's angle it up for the tops of the boots. And then another line down on top for the other side of the legs. Now let's continue the boots by drawing 2 angles down and in. And then 2 long curves down. Now at the bottom, let's angle it out underneath each of the lines. and a curve across the bottom. Now from the sides, let's draw a small line down. And then another curve across. Now that we have the shape of the boots, let's move in and let's draw some details. Let's start on the top corner and let's draw an angle down. Bring it in and back out. Now top down and let's draw a curve at the knees here. And then curve it down and up. And then let's add some curved lines inside. And that's it for Mira. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!